25 years. That's all coral reefs may have left. "95% of coral reefs could disappear by 2050, eliminating ocean life as we know it." That's not a statistic. That's a deadline. We founded Reefs to give coral reefs a fighting chance with a scientific, community-based approach. We rebuild coral reefs using 3D printed structures that catalyze their natural recovery. Since 2021, we've gone from a pilot reef in Colombia to projects across 5 countries, generating over 1 million Swiss francs in project value. Our data shows that fish populations increase up to 10 times and up to 15,000 new corals settle on just 100 square meters, all within 1 year. Corals don't wait for funding cycles. Neither do we. That's why we're opening this financing round to you all. We want you to be a part of our mission, not just as supporters, but as co-owners of reefs. As an investor, you're with us every step of the way, building the future of reefs. Your investment will get us to profitability. We can accelerate market adoption, expand our global reach, and make our reef regeneration model accessible to partners worldwide. Join us as an impact investor now to build a truly regenerative business and help coral reefs survive.